Another one, one easy place to access OEM data specific to vehicle makes and model. I mean, how important is that, again, to your technicians in your shops?
There is nothing worse than having to have 16 browser windows open, or my favorite, right? Let's just be realistic. As a technician, we've all done this and been super frustrated. We have a problem on a car, we Google it, right? And it brings us to these awesome forum posts that are specific to those vehicles, right? Like, I'm gonna make one up, BMW forum, whatever. And you have this card, you see the code, you're like, yes, cool, I can follow this thread and find the problem. And you go down the thread only to find out it's 10 years old and nobody has updated. And the only reason it popped up is because some guy brought back a thread and it went nowhere and it's saying the same thing. Did you ever get this fixed? And then you're just like, why can't there just be one place I can go to? And there is. Yep. It's Identifix.